Okay, we are live. I'm doing a live stream today early. Actually, I'm gonna do two of them today. So I'm live right now. Let's get this party started. If you are new to my channel, if you are watching this replay, and if you are new to my channel, then my name is Big Ben, and I'm a professional day trader and investor. Basically, I invest full time. I day trade Monday through Friday, and I invest in the cryptos. So if you are new to my channel, thanks for joining us. Right now, what I do is basically I tell my subscribers, hey man, the best thing to do is to look at the chart, because the news to me is a distraction. The chart will tell you everything. So I specialize in reading the charts. That's how I make my money, and you can do the same. So if you are new to my channel, this is what we do. I usually go live almost every week. So if you want to join us and make money now, because a lot of people are not making money now, so definitely hit the subscribe button and come join us. So during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you are looking at this, if you're looking at the replay, a thing to do is you can actually hit the speed button. There's an option on Google, no, I'm sorry, YouTube, where you can actually speed up the video. So if you want to speed up the video, sometimes my streams be an hour long. If you want to speed up to 2x or 1.25 or whatever the case is, you can do that too. It will, help speed up the time. So let's get this party started. Let me see who's in the chat room. What's going on, fellas? Yes, Nara said finally here. What's going on? Can you guys, can you hear me? Big Dom, what's going on, man? So you said so early? Yeah, I'm gonna do a can you hear me though, guys? Audio clear, loud and clear. All right, cool. So yeah, let's get this party started. I'm doing a quick live stream right now, and I'm gonna probably do another one later on tonight. So let's get this party started. Like I said before, if you are new to my channel, if you're watching a replay, right now we are bearish. So the market is going down, and me and my subscribers, we are looking to go short. So we are making money now in the market. A lot of people are waiting and holding, and if you want to do that, that's on you. But while you're waiting, there's a lot of opportunity to make money. So keep that in mind. I hope a lot of people have an open mind to see that there's multiple ways to actually make money. So let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Robert, Cupcake, Triforce, of course, Dom, Evan. What's going on, people? Good to see you, Eric. What's going on, Eric? With so many lives, soon I will start day treatment Ben's voice. Yeah, I know. Bull run confirmed. So Mesho, you said bull run is confirmed. Matter of fact, we'll get to that later. We'll get to that later. So the title of the video is should you quit cryptocurrencies? That's the title of the video. We're gonna get to the charts later. Don't worry, we will definitely get to the charts. But right now, a lot of people are depressed. A lot of people are sad right now. You have to understand, a lot of people bought at the top, and the market is at 6,000 right now, and it has the potential to actually continue to go down. So a lot of people are depressed, sad, worried. So I want to talk to those people. Should you quit cryptocurrencies? And my answer is no. I don't think you should quit. I think that every investor goes through something, especially if you are new. If you're new to the game, you will make mistakes. So if you bought at the top, most likely you are a new investor. You probably don't understand the market, and you just have to say, I have to be honest with myself. I really don't know anything about the market. I just heard about it. My coworker told me about it, or I heard about it on the news, and I just bought it. But I'm here to tell you that when you invest, it's not a game. It's a business. So cryptocurrencies sound good, but at the same time, when you put your money in, it's a business. So you have to treat it like a business. So with any business, you have to learn your business. You have to educate yourself, and figure out how everything works. So I'm here to tell you guys, don't quit, because success could be around the corner, right? So you can actually where's this thing at right here? You can actually be this guy right here, right? You see this guy on the bottom. You could be this guy. So success might be around the corner, but you're giving up too easy. So don't give up. I understand that the market right now is going down and you're losing a lot of money, but don't give up, because success could be around the corner. And if you determine like this guy on top, then eventually you will see success. If you continue to work on the right things, eventually you will see success. So and another thing, if you quit, basically you have to understand that time go by real quick. So 5 years can pass, like it's nothing, and you're gonna ask yourself, man, I should have just kept going, because 5 years is going to go past real quick, and you like, man, it's 5 years already. I should have just kept going. I should have just kept with the cryptocurrencies or whatever I was trying to do. So know that when you give up, you're definitely going to regret. So don't give up, and basically understand what you're doing. And the world that we live in is pretty much it's based on capitalism, right? So you should take advantage of it, and because there's a lot of opportunities that we have. Our grandparents, our parents didn't have these opportunities, so you should take advantage of this, because anybody can actually make money now. You could be a teenager and make money. If you have access to the internet, you can make money. So it's not the opportunities that's the problem. It's pretty much, I guess, your knowledge right now. So it's you, the knowledge that you have right now, that's pretty much the problem. Because trust me, the opportunities is out here. If you go on YouTube, you see these teenagers making a lot of money. So opportunities out here. It's just you have to change your mindset, change your information, and everything will be okay. So you don't have to quit. I know a lot of guys is depressed. You don't have to be depressed, but you have to understand the reason why you're not successful right now is because you're doing the wrong thing. It's really that simple. So if you was doing the right thing, then you will see success. So you have to do the right things. So you have to study your industry, study how the market works. I don't care, how you get the information. You can go to the library. You can go on free websites, whatever. How you get the information, get it. You can speed up success by learning from guys that's already doing it. But whatever you do, just learn. And you have to understand that information is very powerful, because once you have information, then you can actually work on the right things. It's like for example, let's say that you don't know how to tie your shoe, right? And then you're trying to tie your shoe, and you're trying and you can't tie it. And then I come along and say, hey man, no, you don't tie your shoe like that. You tie your shoe like this. And then next thing you know, you're like, oh, thanks a lot. Now I know how to tie my shoe. Well, the reason why you know how to tie your shoe now is because you got information. You got the right information. So you have to have the right information in order to become successful. And you know, keep at it, because you can't keep on doing the same thing over and over, expecting the same result. If it's not working, then it's not working, and there is a reason why it's not working. You know, so you just have to focus on the right thing. And for you guys that's working 9 to 5, what I would say is basically focus on trying to increase your cash flow, because that's the main thing. I know some people are very comfortable with their 9 to 5, which is okay if you want to be comfortable, but you should at least have something on the side that's bringing in cash flow. I don't care if it's from the crypto world. I don't care if it's from eBay, Craigslist. You know, something on the side that's going to help you, you know, increase your cash flow monthly. Because if you don't, it's going to be very hard for you to live the life that you want to live. You know, because it's amazing how some people, are willing to work 40 hours a week, 40 hours plus a week for someone else that they really don't know. They probably met maybe once, right? I'm talking about the boss, the like the real owner. They probably met him once or twice. They're willing to work 40 hours a week or plus, and they're not willing to work 40 hours a week on themselves to improve themselves, to improve their lives. You have to. If you don't work for yourself, put in hours, you know, so you can improve yourself, how do you expect to get to the next level? So at the end of the day, like I said, you know, get the right information, because the reason why you're not successful is because you are doing things wrong. And at the end of the day, you don't have to listen to me. You can actually study the rich, see what they're doing, and you can go from there. Because the rich, you know, they have all the answers. And when I first started in the market, I noticed that the rich doesn't really, you know, they don't only buy and hold. They short the market. I at first I didn't really understand how to short the market. I didn't know how to sell the market. You know, because a lot of people, especially in news, they try to make it seem like it's all bad. There's nothing bad about shorting at all. Because if you understand the cycles, the market is going to have a bear cycle, and you have to deal with it. The market is going to go down regardless if you short or not. So you have to figure out, okay, if the market is going to go down regardless, how can I make money while the market is going down? And that's what I had to do. I had to shift my thinking. I had to figure out, okay, there's other ways to actually make money. I had to study the rich. The rich is actually doing both. They're going long and they're going short. So that's for the people that's depressed right now. I know a lot of people are depressed. And, you know, don't give up, because if you give up, you're going to be this guy in the bottom. You know, you right there around the corner. Don't give up. You got to be this guy on the top that's very, very determined. So that's pretty much it. Let's get to the charts. I'm gonna definitely do another live stream, probably around 8 today. Let's see what's going on in the chat. All right, Evan, what's going on, Evan? Sean, what's going on? Keith, what's going on? Ben, I was just watching your trap setup in the video new course. All right. So you said that you see an engulf on the 4 hour around the 50. Keith, I had to look at it. Honestly, I had to look at it. I gotta take a look at it. Okay, so let's get to these. Let's get to these questions. So So Mesho said bull run confirmed. Are you are you joking around, or are you serious? Who else? Ben, is that a bear flag? Dom asked me, is that a bear flag? It's a possibility. Tino said watching at work. What's going on, Tino? Please don't get in trouble. You haven't lost anything until you sell, David. David, you are correct. You know, you don't lose anything until you sell, but it's very hard to you know, explain that to the people that bought up top. You know, so someone is down probably 60-70% of, you know, in their portfolio. So it's very hard to tell someone, hey man, just wait, be patient. It's very hard to tell them that. I'd rather tell them, listen, instead of being patient, there's another way to make money right now. Let's see what's going on. Eric, the spread, stop loss. What about the stop loss? Once you go over that thing, basically the spread, like I said, is usually I think 18. So 18 points. So let's say that Bitcoin is at 7,000. Your stop loss would probably be at 7,018 or 7,020. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep going. What's going on, crypto man? You said you noticed a head and shoulders pattern and BNB chart. What you think? I'm gonna check it out. I'll check it out. Let's see. DJ Pooh bounce to 7K, then back down low lows. Yes, that's definitely possible. Shane, what's going on? What's going on, Shane? Made it to the live today. Thanks a lot, Shane, for coming in. Nanish said, have been watching videos long time. Can Ethereum go up, and can BTC reach 7K before it crashes back down? It's possible. Right now it's at 6,700, so it's possible. But I'm gonna go over the charts right now. All right, so let's go over this chart right now. This is BTC. We go over this. We're gonna go over this again later on tonight, because I'm gonna do another stream tonight, probably around 8. Let me see. All right, so basically what you see here is you see the market is breaking up, and it, for some reason, it can't close. Let me give you a line right here. As of right now, I'm not saying it won't close, but as of right now, it can't close above this high. So we'll see what's going to happen. A couple of days from now, we'll see. And we go. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. You see that it can't close, so we'll see. And it looks like a flag. So someone asked me, is that a flag? It looks like a flag. It's a possibility that this could be a flag right here. So if you notice, every time it's touching the top of the channel, it's rejecting the top. So we'll see. We'll see if it continues to go back down to the bottom of the channel. We'll see. But right now, it's not it's not really looking too good on a bullish side. So I believe this thing will roll over soon. Let's go to coin market cap. If you look at the volume is still low. Nothing to get excited about. So overall, you know, this thing has to close above this high right here, and but if it doesn't, there's a strong possibility we can roll over. Now we have this resistance line right here, and of course we have this resistance right here. So keep that in mind. Now, can it go to 7,000? Yes, it definitely could go to 7,000, but there's a lot of resistance up here, a lot. Now let's say all of a sudden it breaks. Let's say it breaks all this resistance, then it has to deal with this right here, that swing high right here. So there's a lot of resistance going on, and then you have this big triangle thing. So if it breaks everything and it's decided to go back up, then you have this triangle thing that's working. But to be honest with you guys, I don't think this thing has a lot of I don't think it can actually go to this top of this piece right here, top of this trend line. I don't think it has enough momentum behind it to actually go over here. So I think we will roll over soon. They just basically trying to you know, play with a lot of people's mind right now and stall out real quick. They don't want to go down right now for some reason. So let's see what's going on in the chat. So Nara says, finally, for the first time, hey Ben, do you still have your discount live streams? I want to buy it right now. Yeah, Nara, yeah, I will get to that. Definitely, I will get to that. So Nara asked me about my discounts on live. Matter of fact, let's get that over with. So if you're new to my channel, I don't have no sponsors. I sponsor myself. So what I do is basically I have a discount on my live streams, and if you want to support the channel, you could definitely support the channel by buying this product. But at the same time, while you buy this product and supporting the channel, you can actually put money in your pocket, because this product is about how to make money when the market is going up and how to make money when the market is going down. That's why I had a talk to a lot of people that want to quit cryptocurrency. So if you're just joining me, I was talking about people that want to quit cryptocurrencies. And I tell you, listen, don't quit, because you could be around the corner. Like, success could be right here. You could be this guy right here, right? And you could be like literally around the corner. So you shouldn't quit. And the reason why you're not at the level that you want to be is because you don't have the information. So once you get this course, it will show you how to read price action. It will show you how to read the charts, how to make money with the charts. When I made my 15 grand last week shorting Bitcoin, I used the same patterns that's in this course. So it's a great course. I have been definitely getting a lot of good reviews. So when you support the channel, you're supporting at the same time you can actually put money in your pocket by getting this course. So guys, thanks a lot. Nara just asked me about the course and the discount. So Nara, here's the link, and let's get back to the charts. And also, let's get this clear. People that have a 9-to-5, you can still short. And it's not about like day trading. You don't have to be like in and out. And also, if you are in the United States, you can still short. All right. So let me put that link, because Nara just asked me about it. All right. So Nara said, my goal is to end my 9 to 5. Just need to be patient. Of course, Nara, right? You can definitely end your 9 to 5. Like you have to understand. It took me around, I would say 8 years, but I would say a little bit more than 8 years, because 8 years in the market itself, right? But before I even got into market, I was grinding and trying to get myself out of the 9 to 5 rat race. So 2 years before I even got into the market, I was trying to make some money, some side money. So then another 8 years it took me, and the reason why it took me so long is because I was just trying to figure things out. At the time, I didn't try to educate myself like I should in the beginning, and I was just trial and error, testing a lot of things out. But eventually, I started to educate myself. I got better, and then I was able to quit my 9 to 5. But if you are dedicated, and if you want to be a student and learn, you can do it. You can definitely do it. It's doable. Trust me. I'm no one special. I barely graduated high school. Didn't go to college. So yes, it's definitely doable. So Michael said, I see Tron had a pump and back down. Your thoughts? Tron. Let's look at Tron. Okay. I didn't see this. But basically the reason why is basically, like I said before, I don't know if you guys remember, but I said when Tron was going down, I said that most likely Tron will hit this area right here. This is a support area, because if you notice that this was resistance right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. This area right here was resistance before. We broke out of this area, and a lot of times when we break out of the resistance turned into support. So right now it went right back to the resistance area and is finding support. But since we are in the bear market, I don't think that support will last. It's just what it is. I don't think it will last. If you notice, like, let me zoom in. If you notice, this candle shot up. We went all the way up here, and then now we back down here. So if this candle closed like this, that tells me that that's a weak candle, and it's a strong possibility that we can actually roll over. But right now, everything is following Bitcoin. So what I think about this pop, I don't really think anything about this pop. I think we are, with the Tron, we're still below the moving average. If you notice, it rejected as soon as it hit the moving average. It rejected the moving average, so it looks weak. That's what I think. So let's go back to the chat. Finally. All right, let's see what's going on in the chat. Rex says, in the middle of the day. Yeah, man. I'm gonna do I did a middle of the day today, and I'm gonna do one probably around 8 tonight. You said, Dom, it was me that asked you about the bear flag. I smell another dump. In a big one. Yep. I do smell another dump, Dom, because that's what the bears love to do. They love to play with your emotions. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is pumping up. Now, with Ethereum, we have this nice little trend line going on right here. And it looks like, let's clone this real quick. And it looks like it definitely looks like it's reacting to that trend line. Let me zoom in so you can see. So hit this trend line. It's reacting to it, so we'll see. We'll definitely see. But like Dom said, I do smell a big dump. Just don't know when. I don't know if they want to do it on, you know, in a week, on a weekend, or they want to do it in the middle of the week. They're trying to stall out. They're trying to, like, you know, hold out right now. But just be patient. Most likely it will come. They can't continue to hold this thing. This thing looks so weak, man. And if you are new to my channel, what we're doing right now is basically we're looking for shorts, because we are in a bear market, and in a bear market you really don't want to go against the trend. So that's how we are making money right now. So let's go to the chat. So Keith Mitchell said, your new courses are still, it will be one of the best investments you can make. Thanks a lot, Keith. So Darlin said, how much money did you need in the trading account to start a full-time? Just curiosity, want to make the move. How much money did I need? It all depends on your situation. Consistency is what you really need, you know? Consistency is what you really need, because a lot of accounts, they have leverage. So, like, for example, if I had an account that had 10,000 in it, I can still make money with an account that's, you know, that a $10,000 account. Now, can someone do the same thing? It all depends on their experience. So at the end of the day, Darlin, it's not really about the money that's in your account. It's about your consistency, proving to yourself that you can actually make money over and over and over again. Because like I said before, I can take 10,000 and turn that thing up, you know, and make money with it. So it's really not the amount of money that you should be worrying about. You should be worrying about studying your craft and getting good at it. Because once you do that, the money will come. But with a 10,000 account, you can actually make a living with that. Believe it or not. I know it sounds crazy, but you can. I trade a futures account, so it's a lot of leverage. And with a $10,000 account, you could trade up to 10 contracts. That's a lot of money. Let's see what's going on. Exposed, 10 years experience condensed in your course. Definitely a steal. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Exposed. Oh, Moex, what's going on, man? Moex, I'm here early, and I'm probably gonna do another stream later on tonight. I'm just gonna do a quick stream right now. Okay, so you said your position is still open. You waiting for that dump? I hear you, man. I hear you. So Trifex. Triforce Air said, just got your course. Thanks, Ben. No, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate you supporting the channel. If you're just joining me, Triforce just got this my product, because right now it's at a discount on a live, only on live. So you want to check it out. The original price is $210. There's a 50% discount. Only on live, and it will show you how to make money now, not tomorrow, not next year, but now. Because believe it or not, a lot of people, right, that buy and hold is feeling it. So let's be real for a second, guys. Let's be real for a second. The people that buy and hold, right, for ever since January, and we're about to be what, in July. Ever since January all the way to July, these guys really have not made any money. Let's be honest for a second. It's going to be 7 months in a year, right? 7 months this year, these guys that buy and hold is not making money. So what I'm saying to you guys is, since I do this full time, you don't have to be that guy that's waiting that long. You can actually make money now, and my students is making money. So it's just another. You just have to change your way of thinking. It's not all about buying and holding. It's about, okay, how can I master my craft? How can I extract money out of the market now? What is the rich doing? I want to follow those guys because they are rich for a reason. So trust me, these guys is holding it. I mean, you're feeling it right now. And this is why I titled my stream today, "Should You Quit Cryptocurrencies?" Because the emails that I get, these guys, trust me, they are complaining, man. They like, man, I'm losing my shirt. My account is down like crazy. And what they don't realize is it's a strong possibility that we can roll over and go lower. So why wait when you can actually make money now? And I show you in the course, you know. So let's go back to the chat. What's going on in the chat? Rex says, dump this weekend. I hope. Time for more XRP. I hear you, Rex. So Keith Messer said, Triforce, you won't regret your investment. Proud of you. Thanks a lot, Keith. So Keith said, I have been holding XRP too, and it hasn't done anything. Exactly. So let's look at XRP real quick. You know, and people that's new to my channel, I love cryptocurrencies just like you do. I'm holding it just like you are. So don't get the idea that I don't like cryptocurrencies. I just I am a professional trader, so I have to make money. So right now, if you look at Ripple, this is like damn near not good, right? Guys, if you look at Ripple, put it like this, you don't even have to know how to read the charts to tell you to say that this doesn't look good, right? You have to understand Ripple went all the way to this top right here. Ripple went all the way up here, but today it went up all the way up, and now it's back down here. So if this thing closed like this, that's not a good sign. Now, can it buy a step in and continue to go back up? Yeah, it's a possibility. But right now, this is not a good sign. So most likely, Ripple is going to roll over everyone else. Because we are in the bear market. It's just what it is. Trust me, guys. I don't make the rules. If it was up to me, I would say, hey man, let's make this market bullish again, because I don't want to see people lose money. But at the end of the day, I have to deal with reality, and reality telling me that we are making lower lows. We are below the moving average. The volume is low. Buyers, they trying to come in, but when they do come in, it's so weak. So that's my reality right there. So I don't go against reality, because once you go against reality in the market, you can lose a lot of money. Let's go in the chat room. 45 cents. You talking about XRP, Rec? Rec, I think it can go below 45 cents. Moex says it's a great sign for me. What are you talking about? XRP, Moex? Moex, you talking about XRP is a great sign for you? So Rex says 45 cents, right? I believe Ripple will go way below that. And the only reason why I'm saying that, because if you understand the market, when the market breaks out, it loves it loves to go right back to the breakouts. So this breakout right here was around 30 cents, 29 cents. So I think it will go way below 45 cents. That's just my opinion. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. Let me see. So Javi, you gonna buy at 42? Body on my lunch break. Just wanted to jump in. What's going on, Body? Thanks a lot for jumping in. So Nara said, just got your course. Thanks a lot. Just can't wait. Get your new all that stuff. I feel that I learn a lot from your videos. Just can't wait. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate your support. I definitely appreciate your support. ADA. So Javi, what you think is a bargain? Ripple at 42. I mean, it could be a bargain, but I believe it is going to go lower than that. You know, so that's just my opinion. Cardano is weak. Same thing. We are below the moving average. And there's no real buyers. You don't really see no real buyers at all. So I think something big is going to happen soon. I just don't know when. I don't know if it's this week, next week. Because they can't keep on. You have to understand, the market can't keep on. Let's go back to Bitcoin. The market can't keep on staying in this range. It has to break out of this range. It has to. So it has to break out this range right here. This range that we have, it has to break. It can't continue to go sideways like this. So it has to break out. So things might get ugly. That's all I gotta say. Things might get ugly. They trying to prop it up and trying to keep the market up right now, but things might get ugly. So let's go to the chat room. And I'm about to end the chat soon. I'm about to end this thing soon because I'm gonna do another another stream 8 o'clock. Morex says your course has brought back the excitement in crypto trading again. Loving it. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Yes, man, because most people only think one way. Like, come on, guys. It's 2018. It's time to open your eyes. It's time to have an open mind. It's not just one way. Trust me. We all are waiting for that bull market, right? And we are, excited when that bull market. We're going to get excited when the bull market comes, but right now, I believe the bull market won't. It's not going to come anytime soon. Based on history, if you look at Bitcoin chart, 2013 when we crashed, it took 2 years to recover. Right now, we are pretty much 7 months in. And we haven't even gone up to 7,000 yet, ever since that February dump. Since February, we never even made it to 12,000. So that tells you right there, this market is weak. So it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to sit and wait for 2 to 3 years or make money now. Let's see what's going on in the chat. Yes, businessman, the volume is low. Yes, you're right. It's real low, man. It's too low. So that's why me personally, like, if it's too low, then how can I really be convinced that the real buyers are here? I'm not convinced. The volume is so low, man. So let's go back to the chat. See what these guys talking about. Moex said, break down the math again for these people. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do it later on, 8 o'clock, because a lot of people just they can't really understand. Exactly, Javi. Exactly. So, guys, I'm about to get out of here. This is a midday chat. I mean, stream. So, I just did this real quick just to show up and let you guys know what I think about the Bitcoin right now. But I will continue this at 8 o'clock. So, if you're not doing anything around 8 o'clock Eastern time, because I am on the East Coast, actually, I'm sorry, it's probably gonna be around 7 o'clock. So around 7 o'clock, 7:30 Eastern time, I'm gonna come back live, and we're gonna continue to talk about these charts, man, because Bitcoin right now is kind of suspect. It's kind of suspect. I know a lot of your favorite YouTubers are saying, "Yeah, man, this is it. This is the bottom." But if you know anything about the bear market, anything that's too obvious most likely is going to fail. So this is, to me, this is like too obvious. This is like ABC obvious. Like, oh, this is a bottom. Oh yeah, let's buy this thing up. It's just too damn obvious. Yeah, no problem. No problem on early chat. I just had to step in because you know why I did it today is because a lot of people have been emailing me say, "Yo, man, I've been my time zone and your time zone is different. I'm always missing your live chat." So I just say, okay, I'm gonna do an early chat to see if I can actually get people that can't make it when I go maybe 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock Eastern time. So I just decided to do it today, but it is what it is. You said, but wait for the bell. What do you mean? No problem, Troy. No problem. Okay, so Tony said he'll be on the next live stream. Thanks a lot. Keith, you are you gonna make the next live stream tonight, like around 7? What's going on, Aussie? First coffee in Australia. What's going on? Aussie, I'm about to leave the chat. So if you are available 7 o'clock Eastern time, make sure that you come on tonight, because I'm gonna do another chat. All right, Keith. So I see you. I see you then, Keith. 7 o'clock Eastern time. Navar said it's hilarious to see 98 98 YouTubers are saying Green Sea BTC overcomes all FUD. Sorry to see that. Exactly. Exactly. All these YouTubers are saying, talking about it's the green light right now. That's it. So guys, thanks for your time. Make sure that you set your alarm for maybe 7 o'clock, 7:30 Eastern time tonight. I'm coming right back on the stream. I just had to do this real quick because I know a lot of people, been emailing me and say, "Man, I can't make it to your streams, man. Let me know what time, or can you do it another time?" So I decided to do it today just to see, who I would get. But anyway, guys, thank you for your time. Also, I don't have any sponsors. I sponsor myself. So if you want to support the channel, get this course right here is a discount only for the stream. But this price is going to go right back up as soon as I end the stream, probably a half an hour. So if you want to get it, it will show you how to make money now. Talk to you guys later. See you later, probably 7 o'clock, 7:30 Eastern time. I just put the link in the description. So okay, so Multi Vada says first time Siberia in the house. So listen, Multi Vada, I'm doing a live stream 7 o'clock Eastern time tonight. So make sure you set your alarm if you want to go back on a live stream with me. This is a cool group. There's a lot of people in this in a live stream that's very cool. This is a group that you will love. So make sure that you set your alarm at 7 o'clock, and we will continue this, and so we can actually make this money. Because right now you can make a lot of money when the market's going down. So talk to you guys later. I'll see you probably another, what, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. So see you guys later, and have a good rest of your day.